In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage Perplexity AI to gather deep NBA statistics and brainstorm unique story ideas for your sports content. To get started, I'll head to the search bar and type in a detailed query to compare the 2025-26 regular season performances of Victor Wembanyama and Nikola Jokic. I am specifically looking for a comparison of their points, rebounds, and blocks per game, while also identifying the league leader in total blocks for that season. After I click the search button, I'll give the AI a moment to scan multiple sources across the web and synthesize that data into a single cohesive answer. As the results populate, we can see a clear comparison where Nikola Jokic leads in scoring and rebounding, while Wembanyama stands out as the dominant defensive powerhouse. The side-by-side table provides a perfect visual reference for viewers, highlighting that Wembanyama officially led the entire league in blocks, with an impressive total of 181. Now that I have the data, I'll use the follow-up feature to generate some creative content ideas by asking for 5 YouTube titles and scripts centered on LeBron James's 19 playoff run and Wembanyama's debut in the postseason. Perplexity quickly provides 5 compelling video concepts, each with a professional title and a narrative-driven script that balances LeBron's legendary legacy against the arrival of a new superstar. These results even include a bonus split-screen strategy for social media, offering a complete creative framework for my next project without having to start from scratch. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.